In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode on Google Drive. This quick change can make long work sessions easier on your eyes, reduce glare in low-light environments, and give your drive a sleek, focused look. We'll do it right from your browser, and it only takes a moment once you know where to click. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to google.com. You'll want to be on the Google homepage so you can easily access your apps. Look toward the top right of the page. You should see a small square made of 9 dots. This is the Google Apps menu. It sometimes appears next to your profile picture. Hovering over it may show a tooltip that simply says Google Apps. Click that 9-dot grid to open the Apps panel. A menu will slide open with a collection of Google services. Find Drive in the list. It has a colorful triangular icon, and click it. This takes you straight into your Google Drive, where all your files and folders live. If Drive opens to a different view than you expect, that's okay. The setting we're changing is available no matter which folder you're in. Once Drive is open, look again to the top right corner. Click the gear-shaped icon to open the Quick Settings menu. This gear is your gateway to preferences that affect how Drive looks and behaves. In the small panel that appears, choose Settings to open the full Settings window. Inside Settings, locate the Appearance section. This is where you control how Drive's interface is themed. Select Dark. As soon as you do, the background and interface elements will flip to rich grays and charcoal tones, while text stays readable with high contrast. The change is immediate, so you can instantly see how it looks with your files and folders. There's nothing extra to save here. Just close the settings window when you're satisfied. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the 9-dot apps icon on the Google homepage, try expanding your browser window or checking the top right area near your profile image. And if the appearance option isn't visible, refresh the page to make sure you're on the latest Drive interface. That's it. Dark mode is now on in Google Drive. You can follow the same path anytime to switch themes again if your lighting changes or you want a different look. Enjoy the more comfortable, distraction-reduced experience while you work, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.